Glue pulling is an ideal repair process when there is restricted access behind the dent to be repaired. When used with care, the paintwork will not be damaged. Choose a glue pad of the correct size and shape. Then apply the hot glue and place in the centre of the dent. The pads are designed to grip the glue and pull in different ways. A split pad initially pulls strongly across the dent, then the pad deforms as the metal moves out and the pad is pulling more from the centre. The dent is gone. A deeper dent may need 2 or 3 applications of the glue pad. The dent puller kit is supplied with 10 assorted glue pads, including circular and split elliptical versions,